In this tutorial, I will explain to you how to calculate the molar solubility from a given KSP. You need to understand that the molar solubility S formula changes depending on the ratio of the insoluble salt that we are dealing with. So, for example, if we are dealing with a salt with 1-to-1 ratio, like for example copper sulfide, the formula of S would be square root of KSP. Or if we are dealing with a salt, for example, silver chromate like this one, the ratio is 2-to-1, or other salts like PbCl2, the ratio is 1-to-2, the formula of S will also be different. Now let's explain it quickly how to determine this S formula. So when we are dealing with a salt of A to B, like copper sulfide, for example, when you write the solubility product, the solubility equation of this copper sulfide, it is 1 copper to 1 sulfide ion. And therefore the KSP product is copper multiplied by S2 minus. So it is 1S to 1S, 1 solubility to 1 solubility. So when I substitute in here, I get KSP to be equal to S squared. So therefore, if I want just S, I will do square root of KSP. Let's take another example. Let's take AB2 or A2B. So for instance, PbCl2, that's an AB2. So the concentration, the equation is going to be Pb2 plus and 2Cl minus. And in this case, the KSP is going to be lead ion multiplied by chloride ion squared. And when I substitute with S, this is going to be S molar solubility, but this one, we have to respect the stoichiometric coefficient. It has to be 2S. So therefore, when I write the formula, when I substitute, it is S times 2S squared. Note that always what you write in here has to match the power. So if I write 3S, it's most probably cube, etc. So I am going to continue, and now if I solve it, it's going to be 4S cube, the total. Therefore, to calculate S is cubic root of KSP divided by 4. Now let's take this example, Ag2, the silver chromate. Again, it's going to be 2 silver ion plus chromate. And the KSP over here is silver ion raised to the power of 2 multiplied by chromate ion raised to the power of 1. So therefore I have 2S and I have S. So when I substitute, it's 2S squared. As I told you, the number inside and outside must match, multiplied by S. So it is 4S cube. Another example where we have AB3, the ratio are 1-to-3 or 3-to-1. So here in this example, we have AlOH3. So Al, aluminium hydroxide. This is going to be aluminium and 3OH minus. So here it's S and it's 3S. So when you write the KSP, I'm gonna skip this part and give it to you in a fast way. Probably you will guess it also by yourself. KSP. Here I have a 3, so I'm gonna write 3 inside the parentheses and 3 outside. And here I have S, it's gonna be 1S and 1 outside. This is how you get it. So the formula of S will be like this. If I take another example, let's say barium phosphate. This is going to be 3 barium and 2 phosphate. So let's look at it. I have 3 and I have 2. It's going to be 3S and 2S. So when I write the KSP, 3 inside, 3 outside, matching. 2 inside, 2 outside, matching. So here the formula is going to be 108 S5, and S is formula as shown here.